What is command prompt? Command prompt is a command line interface in Windows operating systems that allows users to interact with the system using text-based commands. It is a way to execute various tasks and manage system settings without using the graphical user interface. Here are some key points about command prompt.
This is the cinemas! Have some respect!
For basic usage, you can open the command prompt by typing CMD in the Windows search bar and pressing enter. This opens a window where you can type commands. You can use command prompts to execute various commands for tasks like navigating directories, managing files, configuring system settings, and running scripts.
You again!
One basic command includes the dir command, which lists files and directories in the current directory. This command has several benefits, as it provides a quick list of all files and subdirectories in the current directory, helping you to see what's available without needing to navigate through the graphic user interface. By using various parameters with dir command, you can sort and filter the output to find specific files or directories. For example, to sort files by name, type dir-on. This will sort out files according to their name. To sort out files by date in reverse order, type dir-ob.
That's enough, fella! Move that tookin'!
The dir command also shows additional details such as file sizes, modification dates, and attributes. An example is hidden and system files, which can be useful for managing and organizing files. When dir is combined with other commands in batch files or scripts, it can help automate tasks that involve managing files and directories.
Oh, well, if it isn't Mr. Peanut again. Out you go!
Some commands require administrative privilege. You can run command prompt as an administrator by clicking on the command prompt icon and selecting Run as Administrator. You can also get help for a specific command by typing the command followed by /?. For example, dir/?, which provides information about the dir command.
Pay me enough to deal with this baloney. Get up! Get out!
Command prompt is useful for performing tasks that might be cumbersome through the graphic user interface, troubleshooting, and automating repetitive tasks.